Unlock the power of flexible spending and online security with the Paysafecard Mastercard. Let's get you one right now. First, head over to the official Paysafecard website. Look for the registration button. It usually says sign up or register. Click on that to begin creating your account. Fill out the registration form carefully. You'll need to enter your personal details like your name, address, date of birth, and a valid email address. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues later. After submitting the form, check your email inbox. Paysafecard will send you a verification email. Click on the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. This is a crucial step. Once your account is activated and you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section related to the Paysafecard Mastercard. It may be labeled Paysafecard Mastercard or simply Card. You'll likely need to apply for the card specifically. This might involve providing additional information and uploading a copy of your ID for verification purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After your application is approved, your Paysafecard Mastercard will be mailed to the address you provided. Delivery times may vary, so be patient. Once you receive your card, you'll need to activate it. Follow the instructions provided with the card, which usually involves logging into your Paysafecard account and entering the card details. Now you can use it as a normal Mastercard wherever you want.